Olá pessoal, bem-vindos ao LINGOLIFT ACKDMY. In today's video, we're going to learn the names of 10 common fruits in Portuguese. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this is a fun and simple way to do it. So, let's get started. Our first fruit is blueberry. In Portuguese, it's called mirtilo. Repeat after me, mirtilo. Great job. Next up is passion fruit. In Portuguese, it's maracujá. Let's say it together. Maracujá. Pomegranate in Portuguese is romã. Try saying it. Romã. Apricot in Portuguese is damasco. Say it with me. Damasco. Awesome. Next we have lychee. In Portuguese, it's lichia. Let's say it together. Lichia. Blackberry in Portuguese is amora. Try saying it. Amora. Nice work. Star fruit in Portuguese is carambola. Repeat after me. Carambola. Guava in Portuguese is goiaba. Let's say it together. Goiaba. Next we have tangerine. In Portuguese, it's tangerina. Try saying it. Tangerina. And our final fruit for today is cantaloupe. In Portuguese, it's melão cantaloupe. Repeat after me. Melão cantaloupe. Awesome. Congratulations. You've now learned 30 different fruit names in Portuguese. Keep practicing, and these words will become second nature to you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to LINGOLIFT ACKDMY for more language learning content. Obrigado for watching, and see you next time. Até logo.